Check it out, ladies and gents. The Fijon, whatever you want to call it. This thing is super scale. It is probably one of the most fun kits I've ever put together. It's got, real strut front end. Rear end's not a scale, but this thing is crazy. I mean, carbon fiber dash. It's got seats and whatnot, so they've got to get installed, but got to do a body for it to show off this awesome engine bay. It looks cool. So I'm going to chuck the GoPro on the controller and give it a bit of a drift. Alrighty, so ready to have a go. It's an 8.5 turn motor with a Hobby Wing speed controller servo I found, so got to turn the controller on. Bit of understeer there. Eee, caught that in the foot. So not bad. Needs a bit of a setup, obviously. But overall, that's pretty cool.